Today's December the 14th, 2012, and this is our Algebra 1 Unit 4 test. And today we're just going to do the short answer and open response portion of the test. We will resume with the multiple choice on Monday. So I'm going to scroll down here. Okay. Number 18 for the short answer. Determine the slope of the line that passes through the points -6, -3, and -2, 7. Show any work necessary to support your answer. Okay. Now you can use the method of your choice. You can use the slope triangle or you can use the slope formula. Either way, you should get the same answer. So either way you want to do this, just make sure you show your work. But like I said, we want to determine the slope of the line. All right. So make sure this is the key word. This is what you're doing, is that you're finding slope. Okay. Finding the slope that passes through -6, -3, and -2, 7. Show your work. Use the method of your choice, whatever you feel more comfortable with. Okay. All right. Number 19. The concession stand at the zoo sells hot chocolate. The graph below shows the sales of hot chocolate for one particular day. Describe the graph, support your answer with details. So you're going to write me a real life scenario of how this graph is represented. And I've pointed some arrows here. Here's the sales, and this is the hours in time. Okay, so here's the independent variable, here's the dependent variable. And looking at this, you're going to explain to me what happened. So you're going to write me how the situation that happened on this particular day of the sales of hot chocolate. Looking at this graph, you're going to write me a story about what happened on this particular day in regards to the hot chocolate sales over the time spent at the zoo that day. Okay, and we've had a lot of practice on this in class. Okay, so you're going to write me a story that represents this graph. Okay. Now, number 20 is our open response. It says in 2002, the price of an annual membership at Mr. Jensen's Health Club was $225. The price of the same membership was $319.50 in 2012. Okay. Now, A says identify the independent and dependent variable in this situation. Okay, so you're going to tell me what the independent variable is, and you're going to tell me what the dependent variable is. All right. Once you do that, you're going to determine the ordered pairs. Okay. Part C, after you do that, from the ordered pairs, you're going to find the rate of change. And what is the rate of change? It's just slope. You're going to find slope. And you need to use the slope formula. Okay? All right, and so I'm going to type that in there to hopefully help you remember that. You're going to use the slope formula to help you do this, and you're going to show all your work, show all the work that you did, okay? And then part D says explain your answers as it relates to real life. Write a real life sentence, okay? So if you got any questions, just raise your hand. Good luck.